Hello everyone, how are you all? Already it is November. Okay, so let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. Crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इंडिया के जितने भी टॉप एजुकेटर्स हैं आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे इन प्लेटफॉर्म में और उनके जो मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स के जो नोट्स हैं उनके जो पीडीएफ्स हैं वो सब आपको मिलेंगे तो ऑल द इंडिया टॉप एजुकेटर्स यू विल फाइंड हियर बिकॉज मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स आर देयर whoever you want to learn you can learn from them आप जिनसे चाहे आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हो it is not restricted but it is not restricted like you are going to teach you are going to learn from only one educator it is not like that for each subject there are many educators where you can learn in a very grand way okay so all India toppers you will find here जितने भी इंडिया के बड़े बड़े एजुकेटर्स है वो सारे इस प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं सो उनके उनके साथ उनका एक्सपीरियंस सारे जो इंडिया के टॉप रैंकर्स हैं ऑल इंडिया रैंकर्स हैं वो सब यहाँ पे हैं तो आप लोग क्या उनका एक्सपीरियंस उनके एक्सपीरियंस के साथ अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो आपका भी बहुत ही नॉलेज आप गेन कर सकते हो तो उसके लिए आपको प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है तो इफ यू टेक द प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन यू कैन हैव अनलिमिटेड लाइव एंड रिकॉर्डेड कोर्सेज फ्रॉम इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स for that if you take the subscription there are two different plans plus subscription and iconic so whichever कोई सा भी आप ले सकते हो मेरा कोड यूज करके यू कैन गो विथ एनी प्लान यू कैन गो iconic you can go for plus you can go for iconic also तो अभी हाँ अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अभी एनटीएससी का नेक्स्ट मंथ आपका एनटीएससी का एग्जाम होगा सो इसलिए मैं एनटीएससी एक्सपर्ट सीरीज में लेके आई हूँ सो यहाँ हम सारे जो क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे सारे जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम ऑल द चैप्टर्स ओके ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे सो फ्यू पीपल फील दैट he is strong in one chapter other is strong in another chapter so based on that only so all the chapters together n number of sample papers only are going to be we are going to solve every day 15 questions 15 to 16 questions you are going to solve as last month only I have started अक्टूबर मंथ में ही मैंने स्टार्ट किया था 1000 PYQs ये भी उसी के पार्ट का है 1000 PYQs जो भी मैंने लास्ट मंथ डिस्कस किया वो सारे डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के पेपर्स मैंने डिस्कस किया तो ये भी डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के पेपर हैं लेकिन ये मिक्सड है बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हम पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन इन ए डिटेल्ड मैनर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस सो आपको क्या करना है यू हैव टू सिट विद अ बुक एंड अ पेन ओके कॉपी और पेन लेके बैठ जाओ तो मैं ईच क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 30 सेकेंड्स टाइम तो जो 30 सेकेंड्स में टाइम दूंगी आपको सॉल्व करना है और आपको चेक करना है तो एवरी डे इफ यू आर स्कोरिंग आउट ऑफ 15 or 16 if you are getting ideal score as 15 ideal score if you get 15 or 14 so it means you are okay you are becoming you are good enough for you are ready for the exam no if you are scoring less than that you need continuous practice so whatever the previous papers previous question papers and everything whatever I have discussed it is in the form of a playlist it was given in the description box so whatever the questions I am going to discuss it is not only going to be helpful for NTSC it is very much useful for the objectives of CBSE also because CBSE बोर्ड के जो एग्जाम्स होते हैं में ऑब्जेक्टिव्स जो होते हैं वो भी, और पैराग्राफ क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं, पैराग्राफ देके क्वेश्चंस, assertion, रीजन, वो सारे टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर, बिकॉज द थिंग which you are solving, so that is useful for your CBSE as well as NTSC also. Why I have kept NTSC expert? Because NTSC exam is going to be conducted in the next month, coming month. के लिए जो प्रिपरेशन है, ये मेनली एनटीएससी का प्रिपरेशन है, ये प्रिपेयर होने से आप सीबीएसई भी सॉल्व कर सको, वही है मेरा कहने का मतलब। सो यू जस्ट फॉलो मी, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, मेरे साथ साथ आप भी सॉल्व करोगे, देखते हैं किसको कितने मार्क्स आएंगे। Okay, so once we got started with the live classes, I'm going to conduct every day. We have a mentee of 10 questions, and along with that, क्लास विल बी कंटिन्यूड। ओके, सो अभी जुड़े रहो मेरे साथ, लाइक करो सेशन को, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करो, उनको भी बुला लो, देखो किसको कितना मार्क्स आएगा। ओके, whoever is getting, whoever is scoring more, based on that you can understand, you can analyze yourself। okay, so let us start. Before going to that, let me tell you the benefits of taking this Unacademy classes. Daily live classes, you have structured courses, लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, ये वाला बहुत अच्छा बेनिफिट है, सारे बहुत ही अच्छे बेनिफिट्स हैं, मुझे ये वाला पसंद है, ये दोनों बहुत पसंद है। क्यों? क्योंकि आप लोग लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस तो दे देते हैं, हमेशा तो पोल में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, लेकिन आपको एनालिसिस ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस आपको नहीं मिलता है बहुत सारे प्लेसेस में। अनअकैडमी में ये बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है। लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस विल इवैल्यूएट योर प्रिपरेशन विद रेगुलर मॉक टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, एंड इट विल गिव यू अ डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस, आपने कैसे परफॉर्म किया, कौन से एरियाज आप वीक हो, कौन से एरियाज को आपको स्ट्रांग बनाना है। अगर आप जान लो कि इफ यू कम टू नो द वीक एरियाज ऑफ your subject, so you can concentrate there, you can focus there, and you can become strong. So isliye live tests and quizzes are going to be very much helpful for you. So unlimited access with one subscription, live and record courses, n number of times you can watch live, तो n number of times आप नहीं देख सकते, क्योंकि अगर कोई लेसन में लाइव आप देख सकते हो, अगर कोई लेसन आप मिस हो गया, अगर कोई क्लास आप मिस हो गए हो, यू कैन गो फॉर द रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स। recorded one n number of times you can watch, that is also with one subscription, all the subjects you can learn। okay, so creative corner as a complementary with CBSE, so most of the children are very strong at co-scholastic areas, but co-scholastic areas, if they want to become strong, so wait to go along with our studies, you are not able to spend that time। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, आपको एक स्टडी प्लानर भी मिलेगा आइकॉनिक में, तो वहाँ आप ये सब कुछ भी equally balance कर सकते हो। each and every child is talented, each and every child, so the hidden talent can come out, you can take it out by using this creative corner। so इसके लिए जल्दी जल्दी आपको क्या करना है, सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, प्लस और आइकॉनिक, 2 डिफरेंट सब्सक्रिप्शंस आर देयर, एनीथिंग यू कैन चूज। इंडिया के बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स पढ़ाते हैं, इंटरेक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस होते हैं, लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर, ये चारों बेनिफिट्स आपको प्लस में मिलेंगे। इन चारों के साथ साथ आपको पर्सनल मेंटोर मिलेगा, लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस के, पेरेंट कनेक्ट होगा, एंड स्टडी प्लानर भी होगा। सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी help you to reach your goal, whatever may be your goal। once if you fix your goal, you have to start working towards that with iconic subscription। okay, तो जो भी प्लस या आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन जब आप लेते हो, तो मेरा कोड यूज करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि मेरा कोड यूज करने के साथ ही आपको इंस्टेंटली 10% का रिडक्शन मिलेगा। तो यहाँ जो है बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे ऑप्शंस हैं। 18 मंथ्स का ऑप्शन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि बहुत कम पैसे में आपके सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ सकते हो, एंड हियर दिस 1111 rupees is that without the discount। okay, after applying my code you will get the discount of 10%। उसके साथ साथ अगर आपके पास क्रेडिट्स हैं उसका भी 10% मिलेगा, उसके साथ साथ आपको क्या होगा, EMI ऑप्शन भी मिलेगा। तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत कम पैसे में 850 लाइक दैट इट विल बी, सो इट इज गुड फॉर economic friendly also। so SP Vijaya is another code, any code you can use to get the subscription। यहाँ ये कोड यूज करने से भी आपको 10% रिडक्शन मिलेगा। आप आइकॉनिक या प्लस में कुछ में यूज कर सकते हो। तो आइकॉनिक में देखो तो 24 मंथ्स का ऑप्शन बहुत अच्छा है, इज 2000 पर मंथ। मेरा कोड डालने से और भी कम होगा, ईएमआई फैसिलिटी है, और क्रेडिट्स भी होंगे तो और भी कम पैसे लगे। तो इकोनॉमिक फ्रेंडली है। स्पीक टू योर पेरेंट्स, डिसाइड योर सेल्फ, फोकस ऑन योर गोल एंड टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन टू रीच योर गोल। तो डेली मेरे लाइव क्लासेस होते हैं, स्पेशल क्लासेस एट 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. daily I will take. So here also I am doing 1000 PYQs। 1000 PYQs में क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे सैट मैट सब कुछ हो रहा है, सैट मैट SST। वी आर सॉल्विंग एवरीथिंग हियर। 7 o'clock CBSE का फिजिक्स हो रहा है। ओके एक्चुअली मैंने कल से स्टार्ट किया है मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट, सो जस्ट जॉइन मी देयर आल्सो, you will get along with the poll you can learn। Okay, so these are few of the top educators who are teaching in this platform। Comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio। Quest and CBSE is our channel where you will get all the updates। अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप अगर अभी तक आपने इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो इंस्टॉल कर लो। इंस्टॉल करने के बाद गोल्ड फॉर CBSE क्लास 10 सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, वहाँ पे कोड मांगेंगे, PM CBSE डाल दो, PM CBSE यूज करो, 10% रिडक्शन पाओ, हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो, A1 लेके आओ। सो एवरीवन्स गोल इज टू गेट A1, राइट? So become an NTSC expert। So today onwards I am going to start this series। He is also he is also a part of 1000 PYQs only, but very much beneficial। It is every day at 5 o'clock। Okay, every day at 5 p.m. you will get this class। So just all the best। Here is the first question। Before going to start, I want to start with a positive note। as you are in the month of November, सो NTSC एग्जाम लिखोगे, CBSE एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करोगे, तो एक पॉजिटिव नोट के साथ अगर स्टार्ट करें, पूरा प्रिपरेशन हमारा बहुत अच्छी तरह से चलेगा। सो यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर फ्यूचर बट यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट्स। कैन नॉट चेंज योर फ्यूचर, यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट्स, एंड चेंज्ड हैबिट्स विल चेंज योर फ्यूचर। क्या बात है, देखो, योर चेंज्ड हैबिट्स विल चेंज योर फ्यूचर। आपका जो भी अभी तक का प्रिपरेशन है वो बगल में रख दो, अभी से सीरियसली आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करो। यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर फ्यूचर। अपना फ्यूचर तो चेंज नहीं कर सकोगे, अब पास्ट में जो हो गया उसको भी आप चेंज नहीं कर सकोगे। यू कैन लिव इन द प्रेजेंट एंड यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट्स। अगर अपना हैबिट्स अगर आपने चेंज कर लिया, सो दोस चेंज्ड हैबिट्स विल चेंज योर फ्यूचर। आपका फ्यूचर वो चेंज करेगा। So it was said by Abdul Kalam। Abdul Kalam quotes are my one of the favorite। Hope you all also will get inspired with these quotes and all। So चलो, एज एन NTSC एक्सपर्ट PYQs पार्ट 1 हम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हम डिटेल्ड में ईच क्वेश्चन को हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। सो चलो 30 सेकेंड्स का टाइम मैं देती हूँ। हियर इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। 30 सेकेंड्स का टाइम देती हूँ। 3 1 रुको, क्वेश्चन पढ़ के अब तब 3 1 ओके। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट डिस्क्राइब अ रे दैट कैन बी ड्रॉन फॉर अ कॉन्केव मिरर। ओके, कॉन्केव मिरर के बारे में कौन सा रे इज नॉट डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट इट? एन इंसिडेंट रे थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। ओके, is not describing, देखो, an incident ray through a center of curvature reflecting through the focal point, an incident ray through a focal point reflecting parallel to the principal axis, an incident ray parallel to the principal axis reflecting through the focal point। देखो 30 seconds, your time starts now। 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 30 seconds. Time up. And the answer is B. B is the right answer. तो देखते हैं B क्यों दिया गया. तो concave mirror के बारे में which one is not describing is asked the question. So this is about the concave mirror. 4 options were given. I am going to draw 4. So this practice will help you for NTSC as well as CBSE also. अगर आप CBSE में पढ़ते हो this practice, so light chapter का जो है only the thing is your 9th chapter is not going to be helpful for your 10th class, but good on your part, it is not any wrong. Some hardly 5 or 6 questions you have in each paper, so it's okay. The incident ray यहाँ पे हम पहले डाल देते हैं pole, focus and center of curvature. यहाँ पे भी pole, focus and center of curvature. Center of curvature and center of curvature. An incident ray through the center of curvature reflecting right back through the center of curvature. So if a light ray is passing like this, it will reflect back. Yes, it is true. Okay, so this is not the answer. An incident ray through the center of curvature reflecting through, अगर ऐसे गया light through center of curvature से, so it will reflect through focus. It is not possible. Not possible. Incident light ray, if it is passing through that, if the incident light ray is passing through center of curvature, reflecting through the focal point is not possible. Okay. So next one, an incident ray through a focal point reflecting parallel to the principal. ऐसे अगर गया तो become parallel to the principal axis. An incident ray parallel to the principal axis reflecting through focal point. ये भी, it is also possible. So that is not right answer. So B is the right answer. It is not possible to pass reflecting back immediately after passing through center of curvature to the focus point. Okay, so next one. The potential difference between the point P and Q for the given network is, this is the given network. In this, what is the potential difference between point P and Q? देखो, 30 seconds time I am giving you, just see it. 3, 2, 1 and go. Ten seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time up. And the answer is A. A is the answer. Okay, A is the answer. A कैसे आया? यहाँ पे देखो, these two are in parallel. This is also parallel to that. So totally we have to solve it. Okay. तो कैसे करते हैं? All the three are in parallel. 1 by RP equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 6 equal to 4 by 6 by 3 equal to 1.5 ohms. Okay, 1 RP is 1.5 ohms. Okay, so now यहाँ पे 2.5 is there plus 2.5 ohms equal to 4 ohms. Okay, 4 ohms आ गया. What is the potential difference between V is equal to IR? I is given as 2 amperes. देखो यहाँ पे 2 amperes दिया हुआ है. 2, R is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 volts. Okay. थर्ड वाले का देखते हैं. Which one of the following statements about mass is false? Okay. 30 seconds. Mass remains constant at any place on the earth. So SI unit of mass is kg. Which false, false. कौन सा statement false है देखो. Mass of an object can be measured using spring balance. Mass is a fundamental quantity. Okay, mass is a fundamental quantity. So your time starts now. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time up. And the answer is C. Mass of an object can be measured by using the spring balance. Okay, that is the answer actually given. So which is not possible. Spring balance is for weight. Okay, mass of an object can be measured by using the spring balance is wrong. So here the mass has the SI unit kg. That is also true. Mass remains constant at any place on the earth. Constant. That is also true. It is a fundamental quantity. Okay. Fundamental quantity. These three are right only. Only this one is false. As it is, spring balance measures the weight. So C is the right answer. Fourth one देखो. The SI unit of specific heat capacity of a substance. Specific heat capacity of a substance. Okay, 30 seconds. Formula याद रखो इसका. Specific heat का formula याद रखो. Okay. So your time starts now. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time up. Answer is this. A is the right answer. Okay. It is joule per kg per kg. Okay. So the formula is specific heat का formula क्या है? Specific heat capacity का formula. Okay. It is joule per kg. Okay. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन देखो, सॉल्व कर रहे हो ना आप लोग? आपने बुक और नोट्स एंड पेन आई आस्क्ड यू टू ब्रिंग. हैव यू ब्रॉट? Brought or not? इसका सॉल्व करो. In a transformer, the number of turns of primary coil and secondary coil are 5 and 4 respectively. If 220 volts is applied to the primary coil, the ratio of current is in primary coil, and the ratio is asking. If 240 volts is applied, potential difference is applied to the primary coil, the ratio of current in primary coil and secondary. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time up. The answer is C. Why this answer is C? Let me tell you. Number of turns in the primary coil and number of turns in a secondary coil is equal to potential difference in the primary coil and potential difference in the secondary. That is current in the secondary coil in both are vice versa. Current in the primary coil. Okay. So So what is given? In a transfer, number of turns of the primary coil and secondary coil are 5 and 4 respectively. So it is given as primary and secondary ka 4 and 5 and 4 is given. So it is secondary is 4, primary is 5. So the answer is 4:5. Sixth wala. Sixth question, it is a diode question. Diodes. Identify the circuit in which the diode is forward based. Where the diode is forward based. Okay. So find out. 30 seconds time I am giving you. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. And the answer is 1. Forward it is asked. Identify the circuit in which the diode is forward based. Actually the diode, the structure which we know, diode का structure ऐसा होता है. Okay. Allows the current to pass. ऐसा अगर arrow हो तो it will allow the current to pass. So see the circuits how they are. So 6 का 1 is the right answer. Diode is forward based, पीछे से. Okay. यहाँ पे देखो तो is towards it. Okay. Here this also towards it. This also towards this. So all the three are in the opposite way. Okay. Only the forward base is this one. Actually it should go like this. That's why. Okay. So if the arrow is showing like this, it will allow current to pass. Okay. If it is in the opposite, it will stop. So AC to DC generally we find it. Okay. Next holiday. 7th one. A particle of mass 100 grams is thrown vertically upwards at an initial speed of 5 meters per second. So the work done by the force of gravity during the time the particle goes up is. Okay. 7th वाले का देखो. 30 seconds time I am giving you. Just go for it. Solve करो जल्दी से. Kinetic energy, work power energy का सम है. So 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. And the answer is D. 1.5 joules. Minus 1.25 joules. Now both the options were given with plus and minus. So don't get confused with that. Okay. So a particle of mass 100 grams is thrown vertically upwards at an initial speed of 5 meters per second. So half mv square में substitute कर सकते हो. So the work done by the force of gravity, okay, equal to change in kinetic energy. That is only half mv square. Okay, half mv square हो गया. तो क्या हो गया? हाफ इंटू m हो गया 100. v square is 5 into 5. Okay. So यहाँ पे if the work done during the time of particle goes up, so it is 100 grams were given. So you have to make it as 1000. 25 by 2.5 by 2 equal to minus 1.25 joules. Okay, minus is the why minus I am telling, it is 0 minus you have to do because change in the what. 0 minus. Okay, इसलिए so particle of mass 100 grams is thrown vertically upwards at an initial speed of 5 meters per second. So the work done by the force of gravity during the time the particle goes up is minus 1.25 joules. 8th वाला देखो. On a stationary boat, air is blown from fan attached to the boat. Okay, so the boat will not move, spin around, move in the direction in which air is blown, or move in the direction opposite to that in which air is blown. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ, आंसर दे दोगे. Imagine the boat. Imagine the boat. 30 seconds time I am giving you, just answer it. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. So the answer is not move. A is the right answer. Okay, so let me tell you, ये अगर शिप हो गया, यहाँ पे एक फैन लगा हुआ है. Okay, so the force which is acting on it, air, is the action. Newton's third laws of motion based on the, उसमें ग्रेविटेशनल फ्री फॉल, ग्रेविटी में हमने पढ़ा ना, ग्रेविटी फ्री फॉल के बारे में. ग्रेविटेशन वो तो ग्रेविटेशन का है, उसमें का नहीं. ऐसे न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन हमने पढ़ा ना, एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन. सो वैसे, so when a stationary boat, on a stationary boat, air is blown from fan attached to the boat. A fan is attached to the boat, it was. So when this action, the boat will, when the action of the air is taking place, क्या होगा? What it will do? It will not move at all. Okay, it will give the reaction, force of reaction, force of action and force of reaction. So what it will happen, the boat will not move because it is giving equally. From other side if it is, it may change but the same direction, no? So on the stationary boat, air is blown from fan attached to the boat will not move at all. Okay, both in the same direction when it is. Next one is 9th one, देखो. Sound signals were sent down from the ship reaches after 2 seconds. Find out the depth of the sea. The speed of the sound in water is 1.5 kilometers per second. Okay, very easy question it is. 30 seconds time I am giving you. I think you won't need 30 seconds even. Okay, so just see. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, chalo. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds time up. It is D. The sound signals were sent down from a ship reaches. शिप से अगर साउंड को नीचे भेजेंगे तो क्या होगा? नीचे भेजा तो it will receive back. Okay, seconds it has taken. This is the obstacle. Okay, so 2 seconds it has taken. 1 second to come, 1 second to go back. Find out the depth of the sea if the speed of the sound in water is 1.5 kilometers per second. So it is find out the depth. It is in 1 second. So depth of the sea is also 1.5 kilometers. ओके 1.5 किलोमीटर हो गया. चलो 10th वाला देखते हैं. An ice cube is suspended in a vacuum in a gravity free fall. As the ice melts, will retain its cubical shape, will change its shape to spherical, will fall down on the floor of the hall, will fly up. Wow, ice cube is flying. So 30 seconds time I am giving you, just see. 3, 2, 1, go. 10 seconds. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, नेट फोर्स इसका 0 हो जाता है. Okay, net force will become 0. That's why. Okay, forget to write, that's why. 10 seconds over. 20 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds time up, and B is the answer. An ice cube is suspended in a vacuum in a gravity free hall. Gravity free hall में रखा. Okay, so as the ice melts, which force is cohesive force which acts. कोहेसिव फोर्स में क्या होता है, सरफेस एरिया रिड्यूस हो जाता है. Surface area is reduced. Okay, so what will happen, will change its shape to spherical. Changes its shape to ice cube will change its shape to spherical. Okay, चलो 11th वाला, it is very important question. ये तो 8th में हमने पढ़ा था, right? So which of the glass rod rubbed with silk is brought near the cap of an electroscope? Then what happens? You have to tell. The leaf was an induced negative charge. No charge is induced on the leaves. Positive charge is induced on the leaf and negative charge on the other leaf. Completely wrong. So the leaf has an induced positive charge. देखो इसका क्या होता है. 30 seconds time I am giving you, just see. Okay. 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time is up. B is the right answer. How many marks you are getting till now? 10 questions खत्म हो गया ना, 11th वाला भी खत्म हो गया. How many marks you got? Have you checked? एक बार check कर लो बेटा अपना. Okay, so the leaf has an induced positive charge. If you see the electroscope, so this will be kept in a jar. Actually, it will be kept in a jar. Okay, if I have kept in a jar. So क्या होता है, glass rod को, if you rub the glass rod with the silk, glass rod will lose the electrons, and silk, as the silk has highest, silk has more electron affinity. Okay, silk का क्या होता है, more electron affinity. That's why it will receive the electrons. It will pull the electrons from the glass rod. So then that glass rod, if I brought here, actually here it has It is a gold leaf which was kept inside in the form of electroscope. So once these charges, all are having negative charges, but if you bring this positive charged glass rod, it will start attracting, inducing current will produce. So the charged electroscope can then be used to determine the sign of an unknown charge. If charge is not known, how to identify? If you take that to this electroscope, it can show this, the deflection of this gold leaf. Okay, so if the opposite poles are coming, they are attracting. That's why gold leaf is little close. If the like poles are coming, it is repelling. It is moving away, diverging. Okay, so the leaf has an induced positive charge. That is the right answer. Okay, so here what is this process called as induction? It is called as induction. Okay, सॉल्व का देखते हैं. Very easy. Which one of the following graph shown below represents uniform speed? What is showing the uniform speed? Okay. चलो 30 seconds time I am giving. Easy peasy है ये. 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Who is the right answer? Okay. It is representing the uniform speed. Uniform speed में क्या होता है? This is like this only. Okay. Velocity time graph. The straight line which is parallel to the time axis. It is showing that uniform speed. Okay. 13th question. An iron ball and a wooden ball of same radius are released from a height h in the vacuum. Okay, the time taken by both of them to reach the ground are. Okay, in a vacuum it is roughly equal, exactly equal, not equal, equal only at the equator. An iron ball and a wooden ball of same radius are released from a height h in the vacuum. So the time taken by both of them to reach the ground are equal only at equators, or roughly equal, exactly equal, not equal. बता दो. 30 seconds time I am giving you. 3, 2, 1 go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. It is the equal. Okay, equal only at equators. 14 का देखो. By keeping the incident ray fixed, a plane mirror is rotated so as to vary the angle of incidence. When the mirror is turned by 10 degrees, the reflected ray is turned by 10, 5, 20, 40, 30 seconds. देखो. 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Time up. It is 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Okay. So how it is 20 degrees? By keeping the incident ray fixed. ये हो गया आपका सरफेस. Okay. तो ऐसे आया इंसिडेंट लाइट रे, और ये गया आपका ऐसे. ओके, सो दिस विल बी इंसिडेंट रे रिफ्लेक्ट. तो प्लेन मिरर, अभी इसका एक एंगल में थोड़ा सा ऐसा होगा. ओके, plane mirror is rotated so as to vary the angle of incidence when the mirror is turned by 10 degrees, the reflected ray is 2 theta. Okay, when mirror is turned at the x-axis, the reflected ray is turned as 2 theta. Theta means 2 into 10 equal to 20 degrees. Okay, 20 degrees is the answer. 15th वाला देखो. A wire of resistance R connected to a source of constant potential difference produces a heat H in time t seconds. If the wire is stretched to twice its original length, the heat developed when connected to the same source for the same time will be. Okay, so what is that? 2H, 4H, H by 2, H by 4. Echo. 30 seconds I am time giving you. I will not start 3 to 1, just you solve it. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and here 4 is the right answer. H by 4. How it is? So a wire of resistance R connected to a source of constant potential difference produces heat H time t seconds. If the wire is stretched to twice of its original, so L square हो गया. As L and R are directly proportional to each other, so R equal to L square and R2 equal to okay, R H equal to what is the formula? P square by R into T. So both the H1 and H2 new heat and old heat both you have to see no. So H1 by H2 का ratio ले लेते हैं equal to R2 by R1. So L R same source when connected to the same source for the same time. तो R हो गया आपका 4 times हो जाएगा because ये double हुआ ना तो R will be of 4 times 4R is 4R1 by R equal to so equal to H by 4. That's why H by okay. So लेंथ हो गया आपका डबल ट्वाइस हो गया ट्वाइस हो जाने से क्या होगा नया रेजिस्टेंस भी 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा सो 4R1 हो जाएगा ओके 16th वाला the potential difference across the ends of a conductor is 2 volts and the current through it is 1 ampere. Then heat developed in it is at the rate of 1 joule per second. Heat developed in it is at a rate of 4 joules per second and the resistance of the conductor is 1 ohms. Resistance of a conductor is 2 ohms. 16 wala. 30 seconds same duration. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Ohm's law apply करो 30 seconds time up and the answer is 4. 4 is the right answer. कैसे V equal to IR है V कितना दिया है 2 volts is given 1 R equal to 2. So the resistance of a conductor is 2. So hope how many marks you got? Comment section में लिखो कितने marks आए आपके. Okay, how many marks you got? Write down in the comment section so that I'll see. Okay, so जितना हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो उनके भी प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए बोलो और कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखने के लिए बोलो कि उनको कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. Okay. तो लाइक द सेशन। अभी तक अगर आपने अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप आपने इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो इंस्टॉल कर लो। अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप को इंस्टॉल करो एंड गोल फॉर सीबीएसई क्लास 10। गोल सीबीएसई क्लास 10 गोल करने के बाद सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, मेरा कोड यूज करना है वीएम सीबीएसई। वीएम सीबीएसई यूज करो, 10% रिडक्शन पाओ, हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो और ओवरऑल A1 लेके आओ। ओके, सो मेरा कोड है वीएम सीबीएसई, डोंट फॉरगेट। इन बोथ आप प्लस और आइकॉनिक दोनों में यूज कर सकते हो, सो दैट 10% रिडक्शन आपको मिलेगा मेरा कोड यूज करने से, इंस्टेंटली मिल जाएगा की जरूरत ही नहीं। सबसे अच्छा ऑप्शन आइकॉनिक का 2 इयर्स का है। ओके, अगर आपके ईएमआई फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो अवेलेबल। अगर आपके पास क्रेडिट्स हैं, वो क्रेडिट्स और ये 10% दोनों मिला के 20% तक आपको रिडक्शन मिलेगा। तो जस्ट गो फॉर इट। If you have not subscribed our channel till now, subscribe our channel. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. मेरे प्रोफाइल में जो अनअकैडमी ऐप इंस्टॉल करने के बाद मेरे प्रोफाइल में जाओ, गो टू माय प्रोफाइल, फॉलो मी देयर, watch my videos, you will get all the updates also. My class is every day at 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Every day it is 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Okay, and in the YouTube it is 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, just go for it. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.